how to add or how to change your gender on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your gender on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on edit. And now you have gender, which is the option number 5. Click on it. You can choose your gender now and you can keep it secret if you want. Once you are done, you can click on save and save successfully. Now when you go back, you're gonna find your gender on your profile on Likee app. So this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.